My name is Tomas Calvino and I'm the owner of TMS Productions. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip that's going to change the way you think about videos. That way you can start using them to solve your problems rather than just a money pit. Now this tip is going to seem really simple, yet a lot of people don't put this into practice when they're actually about to make a video. Rather than looking at a video as an end goal, you need to think of it as a tool or a means to the end. So the first thing you need to figure out is what problem do you actually need solved? Not just a surface problem, but you have to go deeper and find the root of the problem that you're trying to solve. Then you're going to reverse engineer that problem and create a video that's going to take you from where you are to where you want to be. By using video the correct way and taking your time to think about and plan it, you're able to solve a lot of problems for your business aside from just marketing or exposure or more sales. This is just the first of many tips that I have for you guys, but I really personally think that this is the most important and the most fundamental thing that you need to know before you start crafting videos for your business. If you think I didn't cover everything in this video, you're probably right because this is just scratching the surface, but I will have a lot more videos like this coming out. I'll be going over many different business problems pertaining to the cannabis industry that you can use videos in order to solve. If you enjoyed that tip, make sure to like this video and also drop a comment below. I want to know what kind of hurdles or challenges you're facing when making your own videos or hiring someone to make yours for your business.